Hi friends, this is Gopi. Today we are going to discuss NCERT CBSE mathematics, and the topic is how to do a perfect square without using much calculation or calculator, and with a simple simplification technique, which is useful for kids, especially who are very fearful for doing multiplication using for squares. So this is it takes only 1 second, more than 1 second, and it's very easy to memorize also. So our topic is perfect square with simple multiplication tip. So here we go. That if you wanted to calculate multiplication means square of a single digit, so it is very easy. So 1 by 1, 2 by 2 is equals to 4, 3 by 3, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, up to 10 by 10. It is very easy to do. You don't need any calculator. But beyond this, if you wanted to do any perfect square of 2 digits, 3 digits, any number of digits, definitely you need calculator or it takes some time. So for simplification of the topic, I have divided the numbers into two parts. First part is the number which is ends with 5, and the number which is ends with other than 5. So like this. So the numbers which is ends with 5 and the number which is ends with other than 5. So then straight away we will go to the number 2-digit number ends with 5. So 2-digit number ends with 5. So example is 15 multiplied by 15. So here the tip here is you just always keep in mind that the answer should be last 2 digit is 25, that you remember, and the first digit and multiplied by second digit plus 1 is the other two digits. So here, so like this, the first digit multiplied by 1 plus 1 is 25 is the fixed. So 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 225 is the answer. Second one, so 35 multiplied by 35. So the last two digits as per this tip is 25 is fixed. So the first other two digits are 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. So 12, 25 is the answer. Similarly, the next one here is 95 by 95. So here is last two digits 25, and here 9 multiplied by 9 plus 1. So 9 multiplied by 10, so 90, 25 is the answer. So then next we'll go to the third digit, 3 digit numbers ends with 5. So here my example is 125 by 125. So here as per the tip, last two digits obviously it is fixed, so 5 into 5 25. So 12 multiplied by 13. So this is 156.25 is the answer. But if you are facing multiplication, if you don't know how to multiply, or if you don't remember 12 multiplied by 13, so there is other method is called, which is simplification method. So using that we have to simplify this number nearer to 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000, and the left means the remaining amount you have to add to the other number, and the subtracted amounts of these two, or additional subtracted amount of this number and this number, added amount of this number has to be multiplied and added to that number. This I will show you how to do this. So minus 25, so then it will become 100, so that has to be added to this number. So here, so 125 minus 25, so first digit multiplied by 125 plus 25, so plus we have to add, so these two numbers 25 by 25. So this we know how to multiply 25 by 25 easily. So 25 last two digits 25, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 3. So here easily we can multiply. So 100 150, so 15 3 zeros, so 15 3 zeros plus 625, so 15 625 is the answer. Similarly 735 multiplied by 735. So here as per the tip, so last two digits are 25, 5 by 5 25, so 73 multiplied by 74, 73 plus 1, so that is 540 to 25. So that is answer. So using simplification, that method what I have shown here, using that method, so method 2. So what we have to do, we have to make this number nearer to hundreds. So here it is 700, near to 700. So we have to add the subtract amount to other number, and we have to multiply those two numbers and add to this number. So this I will show you. 735 minus 35 multiplied by 735 plus 35. So 35 by 35. So this we know how to do. 25 by 25, for last two digits are 25. 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1 4. So easily we can do. So the answer is 540 to 225, which is same as this number. Either this method or this method, either one which you feel comfortable that you can use. So next we'll go to 4-digit number ends with 5. So this also same way. We'll do first our first method using. So here last two digits are 25, and here 112 multiplied by 112 plus 1. So that multiplication is 1265625. So other thing is, we have to reduce this to the nearest number, which is 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh, which is nearer to this. So here is 1000. So here we have to subtract 125 from the first digit and keep this multiplication symbol as it is, and 1125 plus 125, we have to add these two numbers. We have to multiply and add to this number. So here 1000, 1250. So here multiplication is easy because 1250, 3 zeros. Here we know how to do 125 by 125. Means using simplification you can do it like this, 15625, or 12 multiplied by 13 in last 25. So that also 15625. Either way you can do it. So the answer is 15625. So now we'll go to next one. 5 digits ends with 5. So here is 1111 25 multiplied by 112 25. So here also we can use the same tip. 1112 multiplied by 1112 plus 1, because last digit we know 25. So answer is 1 2 3 7 6 5 6 25. Using simple simplification technique, so we have to make these two nearer to 10,000, because here this is 11,125. So that has to be added here, and we have to add these two subtracted these amounts. We have to multiply and add to that number. So like this, I will show you how to do that. So like this. So we know already how to do this 1125 by 1125. So 1000, 1125, 125 by 125. So using this, here we can do 12 multiplied by 13, 15625, and here we can directly 1250 3 zeros, here 125 4 zeros, 5 zeros. So that addition we can do within a seconds. So answer is 1 2 3 7 6 5 6 25, which is same as this tip 1. So there are two methods, either of them you can use for the number ends with 5. So now we'll go to the tip where the number ends with other than 5. So 11 by 11, we know this 11 by 11 is 121, but using this tip, how to do this is same as the tip 2 second method what I have told for number ends with 5. So we have to subtract this amount, which is we have to make nearer to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, which is near to that number. So 11 minus 1 multiplied by 11 plus 1, and we have to multiply these two numbers and we have to add to this. So 10 multiplication symbol 12 plus 1. So answer is 121. Similarly 77 multiplied by 77. So we have to make near to 70. So 70 multiplied by 84 plus 49. So answer is 5929. So similarly 99 by 99 is 90. 1 multiplied by 108 plus 81. So 9801. Next one is the 3 digit number ends other than 5. So number is either maybe 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9. So here 111 multiplied by 111. So nearest is 100. So we have to subtract and we have to add that number to other number, and we have to multiply these two numbers and we have to add to this number. So this we know how to do 11 by 11 using simplification, so that you can apply here. So answer is 1 2 3 2 1. Similarly, 777 multiplied by 777, so we have to make this nearer to 700 because 777, and we have to add that, subtract the amount. So this 77 we have to add to here 77. So 700 multiplied by 854, and we know how to do multiplication of this. 77 minus 7 multiplied by 77 plus 7 plus 7 into 7, so 49. So the answer is 603729. Similarly, the 4-digit number ends with other than 5. So this also, if I take 1121 multiplied by 1121, so this also, so we have to make nearer to 1000. So we have to subtract 121 from here, and that has to be added to the other number, and multiplication of those two, 121 by 121, we have to add to this number. So that is the simple technique. So here we know how to do 121 by 121. This is, we have to make it nearer to 100. That 121 we have to add here. So 142. So 21 multiplied by 21. This we can do easily. So here 20 near to 21 is near to 20. 22 plus 1 by 1 1. So here also we can do like this, 14621. If we add that there, so here 1000 means 1242 000. Here this number, if we add this, that is the answer. Next, the 5-digit number ends other than with 5. So this, if I take 11,121 divided by 11,121, this is near to 10,000. So we have to make 10,000, and we have to add this 1121 to this number, and we have to multiply 1121 into 1121, and we have to add to this number. So we know how to calculate 1121 multiplication, which is already seen in previous slide, but again I would like to show you how easy it is. So here also we can do 100, this 21 142 plus 21 21. So again here we can do here 20, that 22 less 1 by 1 1. So the answer is 1256641. So if we add there, and here this is very easy, 12242 4 zeros. So we add that to there. So answer is 123676641. I hope this is easy if you practice quite often, and you can solve any number of digits within a fraction of seconds. You can solve without much difficulty, and this can be applicable for any number of digits. So please try this. I hope this video might be helpful for you for doing using simple perfect square. So my next video will be on square root of the perfect square root of a number. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my video for further videos. Thank you.